Hi, Rashid Kapadia here with a tip from a book on a Monday. Today's tip comes from a classic business book called Good to Great by Jim Collins. Came out in the early 2000s. Data based, he and a team studied for about 1 year what makes some companies perform significantly better than very similar companies and for much longer. And one of the findings was that these companies, which did very well, had an unusual leader at the top. All of them. He called that person a level 5 leader. And a level 5 leader is something I suggest you consider modeling yourself onto. I promise to do the same. But a level 5 leader is a paradoxical blend of intense personal humility and intense ambition for a cause or a purpose greater than that person's self. Level 5 leadership. I'll hand over to Jim Collins now to explain further.
So leadership is not about personality. Sure, in fact, some of the greatest leaders we studied had a charisma bypass. And we should never confuse charisma with leadership. They're very, very different ideas. The key to the great leaders that we studied was their humility. But it was humility of a very special type. It wasn't humility in a weak sense. It was, in fact, just the opposite. It was what I would describe as an absolute, obsessed, burning, compulsive ambition that wasn't about them. An absolute, burning, compulsive ambition for a cause, for a company, for the work, for a set of values, not themselves.